Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's special episode where we'll unveil the top 9 assets that have the potential to turn you into a millionaire. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your journey towards financial freedom, this is the show for you. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1: Real Estate. The first asset on our list is real estate. Investing in properties has been a tried and true method for creating wealth. Whether it's residential or commercial, real estate offers multiple income streams like rental income and property appreciation. However, it's crucial to research the market and make informed decisions to maximize your gains. Segment 2: Stocks and Equities. Next up, we have stocks and equities. Investing in the stock market allows you to become a partial owner of successful companies. With the potential for substantial returns, it's essential to build a diversified portfolio and invest for the long term. Remember, patience and discipline are key. Segment 3: Entrepreneurship. Becoming an entrepreneur is another excellent path to millionaire status. Whether you're starting a business from scratch or investing in a promising startup, entrepreneurship offers incredible opportunities for financial growth. But be prepared for hard work, dedication, and a willingness to take calculated risks. Segment 4: Cryptocurrencies. In recent years, cryptocurrencies have taken the financial world by storm. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins have shown astronomical growth. However, this market can be highly volatile, so it's crucial to conduct thorough research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Segment 5: Intellectual Property. Creating and owning intellectual property can be a lucrative asset. Authors, musicians, and digital content creators can earn substantial royalties and licensing fees. With the digital age, the potential for reaching a global audience has never been greater. Segment 6: Precious Metals. For centuries, precious metals like gold and silver have been considered a safe haven investment. They act as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainties. Including a small portion of your portfolio in precious metals can add stability to your overall wealth-building strategy. Segment 7: Private Equity and Venture Capital. Venture capital and private equity investments offer a chance to back exciting, high-growth companies in their early stages. While it requires higher capital and greater risk, successful ventures can yield massive returns and propel you toward millionaire status. Segment 8: Real Assets, Infrastructure and Commodities. Investing in real assets, such as infrastructure projects and commodities like oil, can be rewarding. As the world's population grows, the demand for infrastructure will increase, making it an attractive asset class. Similarly, commodities can be a hedge against inflation and geopolitical uncertainties. Segment 9: Education and Self-Development. Our final asset might not be a traditional investment, but it's just as vital: education and self-development. Investing in yourself, gaining new skills, and continuously learning can significantly increase your earning potential and open doors to various opportunities. There you have it, the top 9 assets that have the potential to make you a millionaire. Remember, every investment carries some level of risk, so always do your due diligence and seek advice from financial professionals if needed. The key is to stay informed, be patient, and remain committed to your financial goals. Thank you all for joining us today. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, stay focused, stay inspired, and keep building your path to financial success.